Today we're going to continue on looking at plurals versus possessives. Now remember, plurals are where we add s or es or some various other forms for some irregular words to make something plural, meaning that there's more of them. So for instance, I have one cat or two cats. Making something possessive shows ownership. But just adding an apostrophe s to show possession doesn't mean that that also could be plural, because you could have a group that owns things. So for instance, in this chart you can see siblings, teachers, and stars are the plural column where we have multiples of things. Where we have siblings with an apostrophe s, teachers, apostrophe s, stars with an apostrophe s shows possession of those things. Now, as I mentioned, sometimes we can have to do both. So, for instance, if we have Matt fed the bunnies in the yard, and we were talking about the bunny's house, we would put an apostrophe at the end of the S. And we'll get into those a little bit more. So let's work through a few of these together. So, is it singular or plural? After Lily Aldrin met the lawyers, she became very interested in their work. So we have our S. This is a plural, not apostrophed. We also have the hint of their work, which is a plural. When Gregory Goyle tried on the pharmacist's lab coat, he was surprised how light it was. The apostrophe S means that this is singular but possessive. Raspberries here, no apostrophe, plural. Because Karen Filippelli loves lucky pennies, this one is plural. We have multiple pennies. Here we have an apostrophe S, so this is singular. Again, same with our puppies. And this is all this bubble is going to ask you to do. So multiple coats with an S, no apostrophe, and that's all you're really looking for as you move through these. Now here, was impressed by the secretary's apostrophe S. It is her or his typing skills. That person owns them, they possess them, but there's only one secretary being mentioned. So that one is singular. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.